What's going on, guys? In today's video, we're going to be talking about Grey Network, which is actually a new mining project. Grey Network is saying that they are going to be the next generation of decentralized mining, secure, transparent, and community-driven ecosystem. Now, this very project is literally about replacing expensive energy-intensive hardware with a streamlined mobile interface, right? So they empower users to earn rewards, secure the network, and participate in a fair launch economy or from their smartphone. Right, this is a newly launched cryptocurrency, and this cryptocurrency was launched on June. Right, I kind of did my research on this very one. Introduced to me by a community member, which you can see on the screen right now. Shout out to him. So yeah, Grey Network is fairly new, and I'm looking at this project right now, and I see that this project has potential, right? But the team is not yet known, but that shouldn't be a thing of worry, because in crypto a lot of people like to go anonymous, right? But I've looked at the tokenomics and white paper, which you can see right here, right? And I really liked what I saw, right? So if I click on tokenomics right now, before we sign up for this is a quick sign up video, right? Let me just quickly run through this so you can understand what this very project is all about. So for the tokenomics right here, this project is saying that they're going to be giving 70% to the community, right? So you see right here, they said community pool is 70%, which is about 1,470,000,000 Grey. So the total supply is actually capped at 2.1 billion, right? So this is the total supply of this very crypto project right now. And for the team and development, they're going to be getting 630 million Grey. This is what they're going to be getting. And this very token you see right here is going to be vested for 48 months. The team is going to invest it for 48 months, meaning they are not going to withdraw all these at launch, right? So if you calculate that, they're going to be getting around 30 million of this very token monthly, right? So this is actually a layer 1 project, and you can see how the distribution is done, right? This is the allocation breakdown. 55% goes to the mining reward, 10% goes to referral bonus for those who did the extras. Then the special incentive gets the 5%, which brings us to 70%. And then for the ecosystem and dev, they go with the 15%. Liquidity, they have 10%, and team advisors have 5%. So this is basically how this was shared, and you can come over here and just read all these and understand the project very well, right? So the name of this site is called mindgrey.com, right? But you don't have to come to this site, right? I'll leave the link in the video description. So you just go to the video description or the pinned comment of this very video and copy my link, right? This is actually my referral link. No pressure, but using my link is the best way to say thank you, right? So I'm just going to open up a new tab on my browser right now, and then come over here, right? Come over here. You can actually do this, but you don't need to do this. You can just go to the description of this very video or go to the pinned comment, just click on that link, and this will redirect you to your browser, right? So but I'm just going to enter the link right here. So I'm going to click on this right now, and right here on the search bar, right, I'm going to enter the invite link I got from a community member, right? I'm going to paste that very link right here, and then I'm going to click on it right now. So this is actually going to lead us to the very sites, and you can see this is all you need for the sign up process. But you can see right here that you can actually install this very app. Now, as at the time of creating this very video, this app is not yet on Play Store, right? So you'd have to actually install this very app as an APK version, and then carry out the registration process right there if you want to. But if you do not want to do that, you can just sign up right here on the site and then log in on the site. But it's best to install the app, right? So you know that you have to do this daily, right? So you can always be reminded while scrolling through your app folder. So I'm going to click on install right now, this very install button you see right here. So you can see it says install app, Grey Network app.mindgrey.com. I'm going to click on install right now, and if you scroll right now, you can see that my phone is actually adding Grey Network. The app is installed right now. This is actually quick if you ask me. So I'm just going to come over here right now, and you can see that this is the Grey Network right here. This is the app installed on my phone. I'm just going to click on this right now to open up the app. So yes, after this is downloading, you're meant to click on login and continue. So you can see right here that this says stay updated, right? Before we click on this very login and continue, you can see right here it says stay updated, enable notifications to know exactly when your mining session ends. Now this is very important. It is actually recommended. I would advise you to do this so that once your mining session ends, you will get a notification that you need to mine immediately, right? So we're going to click on this very allow right here, right? Very important. And your phone is going to ask you to allow Grey Network to send notifications, which you're going to click on allow right now. So we're going to click on log in to continue, right? But you are not actually logging in, you are actually creating an account. So you come over here, look at this very sign up button right here. You want to click on that because you are actually a first time user. So you can see this is the same interface you saw while you were being asked to create the account. So you're meant to enter your email right here. Just pick an email, then you go ahead and choose a username right here. I'm going to quickly enter my email. So after entering your email and username, the next thing you want to do is to get your 6-digit verification code from Telegram. So this is it right here. I'm going to click on open Telegram right now. So this is going to lead us to Telegram. If you don't have a Telegram account, make sure you create one. Now this is going to take us to this very bot right here. Now this bot is where you get your OTP code, and all you just have to do right now is to click on start bot right here. Just click on this button, and this is actually going to bring up this pop-up which says Grey Network verification code. Now your 6-digit OTP code is this. Tap to copy the code, right? So I'm going to hold this right here, and this is copied. So this code is valid for 10 minutes. Return to the sign up page and enter the code to complete your registration. Now I'm also going to add an extra, which is do not send this code to anyone. So once you get that very code, you come over here which says enter 6-digit OTP code. Just come over here and enter that very code right now. So the next step is to enter your password. You want to enter a password you're familiar with, a password you won't forget easily. So I'm just going to enter my password right now. Yeah, so after entering your password, you want to repeat the same password right here to confirm that you actually entered the correct password. Now you're going to be asked to enter a referral code. Now make sure you use the referral code you can see on your screen. That is actually my referral code, right? Make sure you use that referral code. So you can see right here, I just entered the referral code of the person that invited me. Now if you want to use the referral code, of course you have to enter Danpatcrypto. That's the referral code you're meant to enter right here. Now the next thing you want to do right now is to click on this very little box right here. You have to check this very box, right? Check this box right now, and you want to go ahead and click on create account. Very important. So once you click on create account right now, your account is going to be created, and you can go ahead and save that very password. Now the next thing you're meant to do is to log in, right? And you're meant to log in with that very email or username used for the account creation, and next you enter your password right here. Really simple. So I'm just going to enter my username, which is this, already saved in my Google. I'm going to click on this right now, and I'm going to click on login, and you can see login successful. Welcome back. And this is my first time, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on start mining right here, and your mining process would begin. So you can see right now I've actually earned 0 Grey. From what I understand, there is actually no bonus, because if I were to earn a bonus, of course I'll be earning a bonus for using an invite link, but there's actually no bonus. So you have to actually invite people, perform tasks, and do other things on this very app to be able to get the most out of this very app. So your total mining rate right now per hour is 0.50 Grey. I don't know if this will be halved, but I'm going to actually look into this very app. I'm going to explore this very app. This is actually my first time of accessing this very app, seeing how it looks like from the inside. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be creating more videos about this very app. Whichever updates I get about this very app, any important update I see that I feel you need to know, I'm going to create a video for that, and I'm going to post it on this very channel. You can see right here my mining has begun, and it has started counting, right? This has started counting. But there is an important thing you also need to know right here, something I need to share with you. If you come over to my team section, now this is actually a way to increase what you earn. If you come over to my team right here, now you can see that if you invite someone, your friends and family, you earn 50 Grey, right? You actually earn 50 Grey. So you share a link to grow your team and earn 50 Grey instantly, right? So this is actually my link, which you would find in the description of this very video and in the pinned comment. And you also get to see your mining rate breakdown. Like I said, at the moment you earn 0.50 Grey per hour. Now that's less than 1, that's half Grey per hour, right? And then you have the referral bonus right here, which is going to be accumulated right here, and you have the total rate of what you mine, and then you get to see your team members right here, all the people you have invited right here. So I really like the interface of this very app. If we come over to the leaderboard right here, now this leaderboard is actually going to be displaying people who are ranking in the referral section. You can see that this very guy right here, I think he has over 112,000 invites, and this is really large, right? So these are like top influencers in the game. This could actually be the inner cycle, right? The core team actually. So you don't have to look at that, you just have to look at from the top 100 if this is actually displayed. But I can see right here this stops at the top 50. So this is basically what you need to know about this very app. This is not an in-depth review. I'm going to be doing an in-depth review. If you need that very video, kindly state that in the comment section. If there's anything you need to know about the Grey app, state that in the comment section and I will create a video for that. But this is just basically a video on how to create the Grey account. I'm going to be creating more videos regarding this very crypto mining project as time goes by. So this is the tax section. You want to also come over here and complete tax, right, to increase your points, I believe, right? So this is basically for this very video. If you found value, do well to leave a like, subscribe, and share this video to those if you might need it. You might share the video to them, but just give them your invite link, right? Like I said, if you have anything you need to say, any question at all, anything you want me to create about this very Grey Network app or mining project, then do well to leave it in the comment section and I will look into it. Until I come in next time, I remain your crypto guy Daniel. Stay safe.